Greetings, everyone. My name is ASMR Troll. This is my first video ever. I love ASMR. I am addicted to ASMR. I think right now I am doing soft spoken. I don't like soft spoken. That is an airplane that's passing by, and this is so amazing. Like this is my first time using some type of microphone. I love listening to ASMR, but me doing it myself, it's just so amazing it sounds. Alright, so today's video, I'm going to be doing dread sounds. Oh, I tend to crack my knuckles a lot. I have anxiety, and oh, that sounds so great. Um, yeah, I crack my body all the time. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing log sounds because I am ASMR troll. And I was thinking, how can I troll you? Oh my goodness, I clap my hands and okay. So I'm gonna get started. As I do these lock sounds, I'm going to introduce myself. So I am ASMR troll, and I am a physical education teacher for grades P to 12. Physical education teacher for grades P to 12. And I just graduated on June 2nd. I completed my student teaching within 3 months. Right now, I am really scrambling because this is not planned. When I don't plan things don't really it's called scrambling. Similar way your lesson plans it. If you don't plan your lesson, that's called scrambling. That's what my co-op had me do. You had me scramble. Guess what? I never have to scramble again. Why? Because I get to work in my own classroom. Say it with me. Classroom. Also, pronunciation. Classroom. Yeah, so, but I don't want to throw anyone under a bus, so I'm going to chase the topic. These locks, I had them since the year 2020, October 2020. Yeah, I was so hype to get these locks because I like having long hair. I am 24. Yeah, and I have my bachelor's degree. Or some might call it the degree of bachelor's, which no one calls it. But you can call it that. Why? Because it makes sense. I believe in pantheism. What is that? That is the universe is, to me, the universe could be like its own god or whatnot. Like it's like very like, I don't want anyone putting words in my mouth. So I feel like if you just do your own research, do your own research, you can understand what I believe in. Pantheism. I believe in the universe. So I was planning on making a video yesterday. Not today, not today, not today. Cause yeah, yesterday. But my siblings came over and it's really noisy. So I decided to make a video today, right before I start my hybrid working. That is what I mean when I tell you I believe in the universe. Because I would have never known that those bird sounds sound really good to me, at least. But you can let me know how the bird sounds sound. But I probably would have said, oh, I don't really hear background noises when I watch ASMR. So for me to have background noises is a big no-no. But when I tell you I believe in the universe, and it's like I'm saying the same thing over and over, you know why? Because I did not plan this. It's unplanned. And surprisingly, my what is it called? Oh my goodness, my anxiety is not acting up. But the reason for me making this this theme ASMR was to show you who I am. A troll. I want you to hear these dread sounds. I don't know if they're really good. I don't think they're really good. Let me see. If I push my dreads against the mic, box against the mic. Hey, okay. So it wasn't my plan to have the mic like this, but it's my first video. That wasn't a part of the troll, but I don't know. I mean, this is me. No Disney Channel. This is real. This is me. Okay. Let me see something. Is that sound from outside? Because that's not the sound from in here. Did anyone ever see? Is it Flapjack? No, it's not Flapjack. That sound is from outside. Wow. I cannot hear it outside of my headphones. Okay, so there's this show. I'm so sorry. That's not ASMR. That is not ASMR. Okay. There was this show on Cartoon Network in like the 2008 or something, and it's about these pirates. It's like this one little baby Caucasian dude and like this other blue blob person, and he's like 2 pieces of candy. Listen, yeah, that's why I said Flapjack and Bubby or something. I don't know. That was so, I don't know the word, but like, I took that dear to my heart because when I was little, I just thought maybe someone will give you one, they will only give you one reward. But that blue guy pulled out 2 pieces of candy for that little baby Caucasian dude, and I'm like, wow, he gave him 2 pieces of candy. I know, but yo, I never even really saw that show. I just was like, that's what the universe can give us. They can give us more than one gift. They give us 2 pieces of candy. Yeah, it's like, I'm a little kid at heart. Is that sound coming from inside my house? Like, what? Yo, this mic is amazing. And this is my first video ever. I love doing it. I do have a TikTok. I had started out vlogging. This was before I believed that me doing TikTok, oh my goodness, me doing ASMR was like, I didn't have the confidence for that, but one day, I was in my kitchen, and it came to me, I can make it. I can make it. And so video, maybe some kitchen. But no, why? No. Has content like Joe ASMR. Alicia Keys. Yeah. But once I start picking up some traction, I maybe make a intro, and outro, and all that good stuff. But this about wraps up the video. If you like the video, I would really appreciate it. Feel free to comment on the video something appropriate. If it's not appropriate, you probably won't be able to comment it. You thought you was gonna be able to comment something inappropriate. Don't do that. That's not cool. I'm too cool for my drugs. Okay, yeah, it's not cool. Okay. So, like, if you want to, I learned that if you tell someone to do something, they might do it. I used to be a pessimist. I believe in the universe. The universe came to me and it was like, I got 2 pieces of candy. You notice how I said I was leaving? But I just had to share this goodness with you, man. Oh my goodness. I'm finished student teaching. Oh, it's over. They can't tell me nothing. Oh my God. You don't know the feeling. Okay. So, like, if you like, comment, make sure it's appropriate. Because you won't be able to comment unless. If you feeling generous,